In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge lists in Klaviyo. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts in Klaviyo, merging lists can be a powerful technique to maintain organization and improve your messaging's effectiveness. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First things first, make your way to the Klaviyo homepage. Ensure you're logged out to follow along from the very beginning. Once you're there, it's time to start the process by logging in. Click on the login button to move forward. Now you'll see the login page. Here you're required to enter your email and password. Take a moment to ensure that you enter your login credentials correctly. This will avoid any unnecessary hiccups as we proceed. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen of your Klaviyo account. This page is essentially your command center. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Audience tab. You can spot it easily in the navigation bar. It's your gateway to managing your lists and segments. Upon clicking the Audience tab, look for the Lists and Segments option. This is where all your contact lists and segmentation magic happens. Click on it to proceed to the next phase of merging lists. Now that you're in the Lists and Segments section, it's time to create a new list by clicking on Create New. Then choose Create List from the options presented. This new list will be the destination for the contacts from the lists you're about to merge. Before creating the list, you'll need to name it. Choose a clear, descriptive name for your new merged list. This will help you easily identify it among your other lists in the future. Once you've entered the name, click on Create List to establish it. With your new list created, it's time to manage it and begin the merger. Find your newly created list in your Lists and Segments section and click on Manage List. This action will take you to the list management screen where you can find the Merge Lists option. Select it to move forward with merging your lists. In this step, you'll see the option to Select List. This is where you choose which existing list you want to merge into your newly created list. Go ahead and click on Select List to view your available lists. Among the lists, identify the one you wish to merge first. For our example, let's say it's a list named Customer in US. Click on this list to indicate that it's your choice for merging. Finally, to complete the merge, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Click on Merge to finalize the process. This step combines the selected list with your new list, effectively merging the contacts. Bear in mind that merging lists is a significant action. Once lists are merged, the action cannot be undone. Therefore, ensure that you're merging the correct lists and that this action aligns with your email marketing strategy. Remember, merged lists simplify managing your contacts, making it easier to send targeted, effective communications. This process reduces clutter in your Klaviyo account and can enhance your email marketing efforts by providing clearer segmentation. And that's it. You've successfully merged your lists in Klaviyo. This task, while it might seem complicated at first glance, is quite straightforward when you follow these steps one by one. By keeping your Klaviyo account organized with merged lists, you can focus more on crafting those perfect messages for your audience, ensuring they receive content that resonates and drives engagement. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your email marketing strategies. Happy emailing!